Hello everyone, today we are discuss about the UGC NET paper 1 higher education last 10 years PYQ ठीक है for June 2025. तो question number 1 let's start. Chinese scholar like Yiqing and Xuanzang or Huangshan visited ancient Indian university like Nalanda University during the time frame of option number 2 7th century was the correct answer. ठीक है. Next, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं. Yangsheng was studied in logic, grammar, Sanskrit and Yogacara school of Buddhism during his time. ठीक है, in नालंदा. यहाँ पर और भी डिटेल्स पे देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. The University of Destroyed 1193 Bakhtiar Khalji, General of the Turkish ruler Qutbuddin Aybak. ठीक है, of the Nalanda University, and it was rediscovered 1812. Scottish surveyor Francis Buchanan Hamilton. ठीक है. Later was identified the ancient university Alexander Cunningham 1861. ठीक है. यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में और भी देख सकते हैं आप लोग सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ये बार तक्षशिला होगा. चाणक्य A4, नालंदा B1, नागार्जुना, मिथिला, गंगेश उपाध्याय C2 एंड शारदापीठ 3 होगा. ठीक है. कुमारा जीवा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 4 वाज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, question number 3 the Nalanda University in ancient India was renowned center of option number 1 Buddhist learning was the correct answer. Next, question number 4 Bodhayana Shulva Sutras A3 Nagarjuna Rasharatnakara B1 and Brahmagupta C4 Brahmagupta Siddhanta and Vishnugopa Arthashastra D2. So option number 3 was the correct answer. नेक्स्ट, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग सॉल्यूशन देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट taught in the Indian universities logic, medicine and philosophy was the correct answer. Option number 3 C, D, E was the correct answer. Next, question number 6 in ancient grammarian Panini a student of which of the following place of learning. Option number 1 तक्षशिला was the correct answer. ये डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं. यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट के रूप में रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया था 1980s पर. ठीक है. यहाँ पर स्कॉलर कौन कौन था लाइक द पाणिनि ऑफ अष्टाध्यायी एंड फिजिशियन जीवकस. ठीक है, एंड चाणक्य. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 द नेम ऑफ द ग्रेट स्कॉलर लाइक द रघुनाथा एंड रघुनंदन and Sri Chaitanya were associated with which of the following ancient universities. Option number 2 Vikramshila was the correct answer. ठीक है. यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, विक्रमशिला यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 arrange the following ancient Indian institute is to the west direction. ठीक है. फर्स्ट में आएगा सी विक्रमशिला, उसके बाद आएगा नालंदा, उसके बाद आएगा शारदापीठ, उसके बाद आएगा तक्षशिला. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 4 वाज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 which of the following universities are multidisciplinary in ancient India. Option number 4 B, C, D, E was the correct answer. तक्षशिला, नालंदा, वल्लभी एंड विक्रमशिला was the correct answer. ठीक है. So option number 4 was the correct answer. B, C, D, E. Next, question number 10 in ancient India Ujjain was the famous for the study of. Option number 2 astronomy was the correct answer. Next, यहाँ डिटेल्स में आप लोग लिख सकते हैं सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 the ancient building name Ratnasagara, Ratnadadhi and Ratnaranjaka were part of the which of the following university of ancient India. Option number 3 Nalanda was the correct answer. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं सोल्यूशन। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, which of the following is ancient Indian treatise on the problem of related to mathematics? Option number 1, Aryabhatiya was the correct answer. Next, question number 13, which of the following is an ancient treatise on the problem related to mathematics? Option number 2, Leelavati was the correct answer. Next, question number 14, फर्स्ट में आएगा लीलावती, ये 4 होगा भास्कराचार्य, एंड योगसूत्रस B3 पतंजलि, एंड न्यायसूत्रस गौतम C2, एंड D1 होगा अर्थशास्त्र ऑफ चाणक्य D1. So option number 1 was the correct answer. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, which ancient Indian university is noted for having the multiple colleges and substantial scholarship given to the student? Option number 1, Nalanda was the correct answer. Next, the educational system of ancient India, particularly in the context of the universities like the Nalanda, Takshila, can be best described as? Option number 2, autonomous and monastic was the correct answer. Next, question number 17, which of the following was a key features of learning of Vikramshila University? Option number 1, emphasis on spiritual training, and the Buddhist studies was the correct answer. Option number 1. Next, question number 18, which of the following was established by the king of the Dharmapala in the 8th century or the early 9th century? Option number 3, Vikramshila was the correct answer. Next, where the ancient learning center of Vallavi located? Option number 2, Gujarat was the correct answer. ठीक है, next, the famous ancient Indian scholar associated with which of the following which of the following universities? Nalanda, sorry, which the famous ancient Indian scholar were associated with the University of Nalanda? Option number 2, Aryabhatta was the correct answer. Next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, एंड द फॉलोइंग एंशिएंट स्कॉलर इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। ठीक है, फर्स्ट में आएगा चाणक्य, उसके बाद आएगा नागार्जुना, उसके बाद आएगा आर्यभट्ट, उसके लास्ट में आएगा हेंगशम। ठीक है, ऑप्शन नंबर 1 वाज द करेक्ट आंसर, चाणक्य, नागार्जुना, उसके बाद आएगा आर्यभट्ट एंड हेंगशम। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग एंशिएंट एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस इन करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल हिस्टोरिकल ऑर्डर। ठीक है, फर्स्ट में आएगा तक्षशिला, उसके बाद आएगा नालंदा, उसके बाद आएगा वल्लभी, उसके बाद आएगा विक्रमशिला। ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 वाज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है 2। ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट 1, द स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम कोरिया, जापान, तिब्बत, चाइना and Mongolia, Turkey, Sri Lanka and Southeast Asia come to the study at Nalanda. This statement was correct, and Nalanda was recognized as a city of learning globally. This statement was also correct. So both are correct. Option number 1 was the correct answer. Next, question number 24, the decline of the Nalanda University began in the 12th century. This statement was true. The decline was primarily due to the natural disasters. It is incorrect. So option number 3, statement is true, but 2 was false. So option number 3 was the correct answer. Next, question number 25, the concept of Takshila University is a modern interpretations. This statement was true. In the ancient times, the Takshila was known as the great center of the learning, not organized in the modern university sense. So both are true, and each other explain कर रहा है A and R. ठीक है, so option number 1 was the correct answer. Next, question number 26, assertion, Nalanda University was prominent center of Buddhist learning. This statement was true or correct. And it is housed one of the largest libraries in the ancient world. It is also correct. So option number 1 was the correct answer. Next, question number 27. Panini was the grammar. Panini grammar A2 and Jivoka B3 medicine, okay, and Bhaskara C1 astronomy and Konad physics. So option number 3 was the correct answer. Question number 27 ka. Next, question number 28. Which of the following university is the ancient India? And 6 colleges each under them had a lot of exchange of ideas between them. Option number 2 B and D was the correct answer. Okay? Nalanda and Vikramshila was the correct answer. Question number 29. The ancient university of Sridhana Katakas was situated on the bank of the river Yamuna. This statement was incorrect, but the Sridhana Kataka attained the celebrity as the seat of the both Brahmanical and Buddhist learning during the time of Siddhanagarjuna. This statement was correct. So option number 4, statement 1 was incorrect and statement 2 was correct, was the correct answer. Option number 4. Okay. Next, question number 30. Which of the following subjects taught in the University of Navadvip in ancient India? Option number 3 CDE was the correct answer. Logic, literature and tantra was the correct answer. Option number 3. So done. इस तरह के वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग एंड शेयर माय वीडियो एंड थैंक यू अगेन.